All right, folks, let's kickstart our day with a quick and effective 5-minute morning workout for beginners. We're going to get those endorphins flowing and energize our bodies for the day ahead. First up, we have jumping jacks. Start with your feet together and arms by your sides. Jump up, spreading your legs and arms out to the sides. Land softly and repeat. This exercise gets your heart rate up and warms up your entire body. Next, let's move on to bodyweight squats. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, toes slightly turned out. Lower your body as if you're sitting back into a chair, keeping your chest up and core engaged. Push through your heels to return to the starting position. Squats are great for strengthening your legs and glutes. Now, onto push-ups. Begin in a plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Lower your body until your chest almost touches the ground, then push back up. If regular push-ups are too challenging, you can modify by dropping to your knees. This exercise targets your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Moving on to lunges. Step forward with one leg and lower your body until both knees are at a 90-degree angle. Push back up to the starting position and switch legs. Lunges help improve balance and strengthen your lower body muscles. Lastly, we'll finish off with a plank. Get into a push-up position, but with your weight on your forearms. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels, engaging your core muscles. Hold this position for as long as you can. Planks are fantastic for building core strength and stability. And there you have it, a quick 5-minute morning workout to get your blood pumping and set a positive tone for the day. Remember to listen to your body and modify any exercises as needed. Let's make today great.